Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to talk about a powerful tool called Brilliant Directories. If you want to build a membership website, directory site, or an online business listing platform, this tool can do it all. And right now, there is a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and use it forever. But before we dive in, don't forget to check the description below for the latest link and the offers. I will keep it updated for you. So, what is Brilliant Directories actually? It's a platform that can help you to build your website where people can sign up and list their business or join a paid membership. You don't need to code anything, everything is already there and all are ready to use. You can create websites like business directories, local service listing, job boards, membership sites for club or professionals, and much more. The best part is you don't need 100 different tools. Brilliant directories include website builder, payment system, email tools, and user management, and even SEO settings. It's like a complete online business all in one place. So, is it beginner friendly? Yes. The dashboard is clean. You can pick a template, change color, and add your logo. If you get stuck, their support team is also helpful. Now, why is the lifetime daily special? Because normally this type of platform costs hundreds of dollars every year, but right now with the deal you only pay one time and keep using it, no extra fees. If you are starting a business website where people can sign up, pay monthly, or list their company, this tool is a smart investment. So should you get it? If you have an idea for a directory site or a membership business and you want to save money and time, then Brilliant Directories can be a great start. So check the description below to get the link and see if the deal is still active or not. This kind of lifetime offers don't stay for long, so check that out. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.